Over here we have all these measures folders, like the AVG folder with these measures. The measure folders are aggregation type folders, including the sum folder here. And maybe we'd like to see only those two amount measures and only in the sum folder. And likewise up here in our dimensions folder, we got a number of dimensions, maybe far too many. And we'd like to reduce the list here to see only the dimensions we really need in our solution. So let's go to our data discovery tool here and right click the cube to edit that. And if we have a look at the list here, we can see by all the check marks that currently all the fields, all the columns of my Excel sheet is currently visible. So we can start out by clicking this small menu here and start out by hiding all the fields. Once we've done that, we can simply go and select the ones that we would like to use in our cube, like the number attribute, amount including VAT measures, and a few more measures, dimensions like build to name and posting date. And maybe set special code as well. So having done that, the next thing we could do is go into the small menu again and have a look at the attribute settings. So for the ones that we selected, they're on the list here. We can see that some of them are being, actually all of them are currently being read as a dimension and some of them as a measure. And we can start out by saying that the number, the build to name, posting date, and sales posting code should be a dimension only, not as a measure. And the opposite for amount and amount including VAT, they shouldn't be a dimension. And measure wise, that should actually only be a sum measure. So we can make sure that we only have a check mark in the sum measure selection. So that is what I would like to do. Save it and also save the cube itself. And now we just need to wait for that cube to be updated. And once it's updated, we can close the data discovery tool. And we can already see that my measure list has been reduced. We only see the sum folder here with those two measures that we like to see here. You still got those two count distinct and count folders here. They are default folders that you should probably just ignore. Up here in my dimensions list, you can see it's also a vastly reduced dimensions list that we got now.